I'm finally taking my revenge!
But why me?
You're responsible! You were the favorite child, and you liked that. While they loved you, they humiliated me.
That's not true!
Of course it
I
is!
know they were bad parents, but I loved you, brother!
Liar! You left me completely on my own.
One day, I'll be like Lionel Messi. Ha ha ha! What? Playing soccer's amazing, isn't it? Oopsies! That's it! Daddy, come play with me! You could be Martinez if you want. What do you think?
What are you talking about? No.
Huh? No way! Why do you never want to play with me? Daddy, please!
Here we go. You always spend the whole day crying. Didn't you think about doing something productive like studying? I'm so tired!
Don't get angry! I just wanted to play soccer with someone, that's all! Never mind. So irascible. Huh? Is that Mom?
Take a shower too!
No! Sorry, Mom. I'm a little ashamed, but I really do need to take a bath, don't you think? Am I asking too much if I ask you to bathe me after you finish? With her? Take a bath by yourself, you dirty insolent!
I don't like it when she treats him like that!
Why does everybody have to be so rude?
Oh, goodness! I can't believe how awesome this smells!
You deserve it, doesn't she? You're our best child, undoubtedly.
Mom,
Don't tell me that's him again.
I'm feeling really hungry right now. Can I eat some? Oh, careful! What is that thing? It barely qualifies as food. Well, if there's no other option.
And they lived happily ever after. Good night.
Good night, Mommy. A kissy?
No.
But Mom, don't you love me?
Ask tomorrow morning.
Huh? What's that? I think they're close. Huh? No way! Are they playing?
Are you ready for my special move?
No, Daddy! That's soccer!
No!
He already woke up. Yes, I love this game.
What's he doing? Hey, kid, give it back.
Whoa, so fun. I want to play with you, Dad.
No.
Oops. Oh, I'm sorry. It wasn't my intention.
You lost your sister's ball. Do you know how important that was to her?
I'm sorry. It was an accident, I swear.
Shut your mouth.
I'm sick of him.
It wasn't his fault!
Silence, honey. Kick him out. Are you serious, Daddy? I don't want to leave here.
I don't want to hear a word. You're gonna get out of my house.
Why do you do this? I'm just a kid, and your son.
As I've always said, you always spend the whole day crying. Get out of my house.
Are you going to leave your own
Don't
son?
worry. He'll be fine.
Let me go. I'm begging you.
Oh, I'm so happy that I won't hear your cries again.
No. Oh, wait a minute.
Ready to become independent?
Stop. Don't do this to me.
No! Mom, do something! It's yours done!
Shut up.
Ouch. No, it was an accident.
Just like you.
You can't leave me here. I'm your son. Please let
No.
me in. Seriously? Just alone in the dark? Maybe they miss me and want me back?
How could you do
Oh,
that?